Hello everyone, welcome to the Landtamer stream. What's going on here? I think we're on the wrong screen. Sorry about that. Did that again. Let's go to screens. Sorry about that. And it also doesn't have the camera. Wow, interesting. Sorry about that, folks. Video capture device. All right, we'll just go with a quick, I'll work on getting the camera. Hello there, mentors. How are you doing? Let's see. Yep, you can hear me. Okay. We got audio, just not the webcam at the moment. But anyway, hope you're doing well. Ready to rock and roll night. CCR bus, January 2020. Hoorah. Yes, sir. Time is of essence, for sure. We are on day 455. Yep, no cam. All right. Hey, Schwab, is brief. How's it going, man? Yeah, cam issues here. I know the cam is plugged in. Okay, so I may have it selected. So the family's here tonight. Good bits to you guys. Thank you, man. No cam for me either. I have a camera. It's just I'm trying a little bit of a different setup, and so far it's been working pretty well. Okay, now it says USB camera. There we go. It's something. Yeah, I'm trying a little bit of a different sort of studio setup, and it has a little bit to do with not so much the Mac, it's just the fact that I'm changing things up here, trying to make it a little easier. Yeah, we're back on screen. But yeah, so basically I'm starting to use my ring light sometimes for work. So I rearranged everything to where I could easily switch between computers. Hey, Mark Milo, how are you doing? Streamlabs or OBS? I'm using OBS. They do Streamlabs OBS. They do not have for the Mac, only for the PC. So, but yeah, this allows me, this setup I have here when it works, it allows me to quickly switch easily to and from different setups here. But yeah, hope everyone's doing well. I don't have a lot to talk about tonight. I attempted to reset my Cisco Expert Lab Technical Assessment 8. I want to just kind of redo that. I haven't found a way to reset it, so to speak. I think what happened is when I was doing the lab, they give you an opportunity, the assessment at Cisco Live, they give you an opportunity to extend the time. And I think I may have extended it too many times to where I'm not allowed to like redo the lab anymore, which is fine. I've actually thought about, you know, if I felt it was worth my time, that I would sort of reverse engineer the lab and just build it myself. Like actually the configuration that I did that week, like I did all those different configuration sections in the walk-in labs. You know, I did IPv6, IPv4, MPLS, security systems. I could probably write out that lab, the topology, and just build it myself. But anyway, okay, Mr. Spanny Tree. Hey man, I did the lab yesterday, and it did install the route from iBGP due to its AS path attribute being shorter than eBGP. However, without the next hop self command, it did install the route from eBGP because the next hop from iBGP was unreachable. Ah, okay, interesting. Well, so it is common for, it depends, right? I have seen a lot of iBGP implementations where they do next hop self. And again, in the, did you have a chance to watch the video, Mr. Spanning Tree? Did you watch the Cisco Live session? I've been meaning to do that, just have not had time. I've been so busy today. Trevor is the Lamb Tamer. Check that EJ video. Let me know the answer. I got to drop off. Fill me in the Discord. I shared the lab of my class today. Wow, 18 students. No one got the answer and the reason. Some people just guessed the answer. Looks like Mr. Spanning Tree has it. And again, I think Vinit Jain said AS Path. He didn't really explain a lot of it. And again, there's probably a lot for interpretation there because, like Mr. Spanning Tree said, we don't have a complete topology. So, okay, this is good. I like this, though. We got one side saying they labbed it. They got one result. Someone else saying they got another. I love it. I love it. That's the thing about BGP is it's such a, what's the word I'm looking for? It's such a ball of wax, right? Like, should be EIGRP. I think what Ms. Spanning Tree is saying that BGP injected the IBGP route. But that it did so because of AS path. Yeah. Yeah, it's all about the BGP path selection, right? I think that's where the real, and again, that was the session, the on-demand or the breakout session was about BGP troubleshooting. So, yeah, we ought to play with that. We ought to, man, I'm so tempted to lab it up. I have so much other stuff to do. But I am going to go back and find the clip in the video. I will go back and find that today and see what he says. And we may clip it here. I'll post it in Discord. Yes, I understand, Show. I just thought that local pref, I did not think that was considered for external routes, to be honest. I thought that if there is no local pref defined, that it defaults to 100. That 100 is assumed, but I could be wrong. Which would make them all 100, right? But yeah, I did see your post, Show. It was very good, very thorough. The way to rule that out is to, I think you did. I think you set the local pref on the eBGP route as well. And you raised it or lowered it or something like that. But that kind of changes the, I don't know. Let's see. All right, so move right along, folks. Great discussion, man. I love these kind of scenarios. They're so much fun. Here's the challenge: is to demonstrate proof. Casadix, hey, how are you, man? It's been a minute. I hope you're doing well. We're doing great. We're just talking about a BGP issue here that's in the Discord. And then we've got a link. Yeah, I think I saw that link yesterday. Mentors, what breakout session was this? I missed. I guess I need to catch up on the Discord community. Yeah, if you go to the Discord in the routing switching channel, Show has a long post about having labbed it himself. And the breakout session, though, is, did I post it yesterday? We should, you know what we should do is, I have, Vinit Jain is, I see him on LinkedIn. I should just hit him up, or on Twitter. But yeah, it is the troubleshooting BGP. If you do a search for that, mentors, you will see the video, and I can't tell you exactly where it is, but at some point he puts up a drawing, a topology drawing, like what is in Discord, and he asks the audience, he says, okay, you've got an OSPF route, you learn an eBGP route, IBGP route, EIGRP route. Which one goes in the routing table? Most said eBGP. He asked the audience, nope. And then he got to someone that said EIGRP. He said, okay. He said, why? And I don't think they gave the correct answer, but he said AS path. So I thought Show's argument made sense too, but I just thought there was something about local pref that it's not, I don't know. I thought that if there's no, it's EIGRP, correct? It is EIGRP. And you explained it was due to local preference. Vinit Jain says it's AS path. And I thought with local preference because I often have seen in the routing table, you know, show BGP IPv4 unicast. And you will often see eBGP routes that are, you know, are being put into the RIB. And you see iBGP routes, and the eBGP routes, generally local pref is blank. There's nothing there. But I thought it's assumed that that's 100. Now, if you get a route from iBGP, it actually puts that in the routing update. So that's what's still left to be answered. Show is why did Vinit say ASPath? But anyway, I gotta move. I got so much to do. I got the workbook. I'm back. So in lieu of being able to redo that troubleshooting assessment, I'm back in INE workbook. I'm back working on terminal lines, system management section. I was playing around with that, creating some flashcards today, reviewing flashcards. In the flashcards, I've been trying to do DMVPN configurations phase 3 from memory with encryption, just over and over. I've been practicing speed. I've been practicing speed on PPPoE. I've been practicing speed on policy routing configurations, IPSLA and object tracking. See, you have to study for my T-shoot exam. Thanks for stopping in, Mr. Spanning Tree. Good luck, man. So that's what I'm working on tonight. And this weekend, I'll be vlogging again and maybe labbing. I'm going to be talking about my strategy with the 115 days to go. So I have 115 days to my exam. I need to button down kind of my attack plan going forward. Time is of the essence, and I'm spending as much as I can doing the labbing. So, Mentor, so you moved up your lab date. So October, I think it's 14th is my lab date, Mentors. And I actually scheduled it. So I have a lab scheduled. And this is all due to the changes and knowing that there's not going to be a lot of lab dates or lab slots remaining. The proctor at Cisco Live told me, that was helping me with the walk-in lab. She's like, I would go home tonight and book a lab. So I didn't do it that night, but I did it when I got home from Cisco Live. So October 14th is my date. That will give me 4 months of reprieve, so I could theoretically take it twice again, 2 months in between. Same here, January 2021 shot kill in my last attempt. Okay, you're January, what? Awesome, Mentors. So you're gonna go for it one more time. That's awesome. January, so you've got a longer countdown. Hey, I may be right there with you, because if I fail in October and I fail again in December, I'll probably take it in either January or February again. So might be right there with you. That's all I got tonight, folks. Thanks so much for hanging out. Good to see everyone in the chat on this Friday Eve. Sending you those good bits. Let's get in some good labs, some good study time, and let's all get ready for this big thing. We'll see you in the Discord. If you're not signed up yet in the Discord, definitely check it out. See all the discussion. And also, keep grinding, fam. No pressure. Yeah, no pressure. We're definitely going to be grinding away. Mentors, thanks for stopping in, buddy. And also, if you have Amazon Prime, you get 1 free Twitch Prime sub a month. Feel free to use it here. If you got it just sitting around, hit that sub button. Also, follow me here. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and yeah, those things. And YouTube. Thanks so much for stopping in, folks. We'll see you this weekend. I'm off Fridays, but we will be vlogging this weekend on Saturday. Take care. Have a great night, and good bits.